Hi there guys, it's Chef Pieter Jan here and I'm in the Eskort kitchen. We are busy with salads. We've got beautiful Prego steaks that's made out of our pork necks. And it's marinated with, I don't know. All that I know is it comes from far and it's special and it's a little bit pretty. Okay, Eskort Prego steaks, this excites me. I know it's supposed to be bacon. But we do Prego steaks, people, and this is beautiful. We're quickly just going to cook the Prego steaks before we go on with the rest of the salad. The rest of the salad is very quick and easy. Prego steaks, let's say it again. Prego steaks. Okay, went into the pan. I cooked them for about 4 minutes on each side. It has a beautiful marinade that makes it extra soft. Okay. There we go. Leave it there. Then we're quickly going to make a dressing for the salad. Put some red onion over here. I'm just quickly going to slice it thinly. Red onion into a bowl. To this I'm going to add some red wine vinegar. You can use sherry vinegar, you can use brown vinegar, you can use white vinegar, you can use all the kind of vinegars that you can find. This is a little bit of maple syrup. It goes beautifully with your red onion. Just going to add some olive oil just to get this whole thing together. We season some salt, some pepper. Okay, then there's one element to this salad that I also love very much, and it's the Tenderstem broccoli. Okay, this I never cook. I'm not a cooker of the broccoli. So all that I do is I just dress them with something vinegary, something salt, and they will start to turn a beautiful green color. And yeah, you don't need them to do anything else except for just absorb this beautiful dressing. So, feta to the salad, and then the always available and willing little bit of baby spinach. So it feels like a salad. We do some of this beautiful red onion with the broccoli, and then our Prego steaks. So this I just slice to nice chunks. So as you can see, I do mine still nice and medium. Okay. Do some of this. Never disappoints. Some more of the little trees. So this is a Danish feta. You can use whatever feta you prefer. Whatever you like. You do what you like, eh? Beautiful little micro leaves. One nice thing about microbes, they are all punching with the same taste and flavor as the big leaves would do. So don't look at the small things and say it's not mattering. Like always, the best part. This red onion, nice and sweet, has a little burn to it, complements the steak properly. It's so soft. But you know how soft it is. It's like sun, just a little better. My glasses are dirty, I need to wash them.